Morning students, and today we are going to see a small portion which is added with your reproductive system, population control. Population control also surgical methods are there in your syllabus. Surgical methods. There are two surgical methods in female. It is tubectomy. In tubectomy, the oviduct is cut. The abdomen, they cut the abdomen and then open, and oviduct is cut and tied. A small piece of oviduct is cut and removed. The cut end portion of this as well as this part is tied with nylon thread, okay, and ligated. How can it prevent this development of the fetus, fertilization? How can it prevent? See, ovary produce the ovum. It will be taken by the oviducal funnel, and oviduct is a site for fertilization. Okay, so this ovum will not be sent to the fertilization site. Okay, unless the ovum reaches the fertilization site, it cannot get fertilized and the fetus will not be developed. Zygote will not be formed. Okay, so they cut and delay. Okay, nobody will produce ovum cyclic process, menstrual cycle. It is not going to affect. And what will happen to the ovum? The ovum already, whether the ovum is here or here, after 24 hours it will get dissolved. Okay, so no harm in tying like this. So the ovum is not taken to this oviduct where the fertilization chances are there for the fertilization, site for fertilization. Okay, so this is done in female, tubectomy. This process is called tubectomy. Then if you take male, vasectomy, here the vas deferens is cut. Vas deferens, testes produce sperms, and the sperms will develop into develops inside the epididymis, head, middle piece and tail. Then it will be sent to the urethra through the vas deferens. And this vas deferens is nothing but sperm duct, transfer sperms. Okay, so they cut the vas deferens. A small piece of the vas deferens, that is sperm duct, is cut and removed. Same like tubectomy, here the cut portion of the vas deferens are tied with nylon thread and ligated. Okay, so that the sperm will not be sent to the urethra. Okay, so sperms will be produced, but it will not be sent to the urethra. What will happen? It will get dissolved. Okay, so this method is called vasectomy. This method is done in male, and tubectomy, this surgical method is followed in female to reduce the number of babies. Continuously, if the mother gives birth the young ones, continuously if the mother gets pregnant, her health will get affected. And the same like this in a family, more number of children if we have to provide more food. You have to divide what we are getting among all these children, number of children. Only two are there. Okay, what we are getting, we can give them, we can provide the food, proper education. But if we have more number, the same income will be the same. Either we have to increase the income or we have to reduce the number of children. So increasing the income is very, very difficult. Okay, so this one is in our hand. So if we have less number of children in the nuclear family, we can provide standard education and good food, shelter, everything, all the facilities. The same thing will be shared with more number of children, then the standard will go down. Okay, so that is why government is this method, surgical method is introduced by the government. Family Welfare Department introduced this one. Okay, so it is done by authorized hospitals, only by the authorized doctors. Okay, so only this part is added with your reproductive system. You have to learn, and I have written in page number 203 and 204, you have the notes for this vasectomy and tubectomy. The questions will be getting questions in this particular part. The remaining part will be removed reviews the syllabus. Only this part, this page number, only this portion, surgical methods alone we have. Okay. So with this, we are finishing our portion for 10th standard 2020 to 2021. Okay. So we have to revise well, and all are going to get minimum 90% in biology. Okay, not only in biology, all the subjects you are going to get nice marks. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. And while we are revising, I will give you some more videos how to revise each and every odd one out. I gave you same like that, how to revise each and every question, type of question. Okay, please follow us in writing test. And I am happy that 99% students are attending the test. Follow the test, revise well, and you will be getting excellent marks. All the best. God bless you. Bye.